Are you looking to roll over your 401k into something that offers more protection and growth potential for your retirement? A gold IRA could be the perfect solution. But before you make any decisions, it's important to understand exactly why a gold IRA is an ideal option for 401k rollovers. Gold has been used as a store of value for centuries, and unlike stocks or bonds, it's not directly impacted by market crashes or inflation in the same way. By rolling over your 401k into a gold IRA, you are not only protecting your retirement funds, but also diversifying them. Diversification is key in retirement planning because it ensures that if one part of your portfolio takes a hit, the others can help cushion the blow. Now, why should you even consider a gold IRA over other options? For one, a gold IRA gives you full control over your retirement assets. While traditional IRAs and 401ks may be managed by third parties, with a gold IRA, you can choose how much gold you want to hold and when to buy or sell. This level of flexibility can be incredibly valuable, especially when markets are volatile. Unlike stocks or bonds, which can fluctuate daily, gold has a proven track record of maintaining its value over the long term. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, then I encourage you to click the first link in the description below to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs. This free guide will give you all the details you need, whether you have 100K, 500K, or even 5 mil plus in savings. In fact, many high net worth individuals are using gold IRAs as a tool to protect their wealth and grow it over time. Additionally, rolling over your 401k into a gold IRA allows you to avoid taxes and penalties if done correctly. A direct rollover to a gold IRA means your funds are moved without triggering a taxable event, which helps preserve your wealth. This is especially crucial for retirees who want to make the most of their savings without worrying about the IRS taking a big chunk of it. Another benefit? Gold has a low correlation with traditional assets like stocks and bonds, which means when the market dips, your gold holdings are less likely to follow the same trend. That's especially important when we consider the current economic climate, where inflation is on the rise and traditional investments are often seen as riskier. Gold can provide stability and a hedge against these risks, which is why more and more people are choosing it for their retirement accounts. Now, some may argue that stocks and bonds offer better returns. However, while they have growth potential, they also carry greater risk, especially if the market crashes or experiences high volatility. Gold, on the other hand, has a historical track record of providing steady returns during times of crisis. It's seen as a safe haven asset that can protect your wealth during economic downturns. If you're a retiree looking to make the most out of your retirement savings, this is the kind of peace of mind you need, knowing that your money is working for you in a stable, secure way. Whether you're looking to safeguard your wealth or ensure long-term growth, a gold IRA has a unique edge that other options just can't match. So, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks and want to take control of your financial future, click the first link in the description below to get your free guide to gold IRAs. This guide is perfect for American retirees with 100K or more in their IRA or 401k, or even those with 5 min plus in savings looking for a secure long-term solution. In conclusion, if you've been considering rolling over your 401k into a gold IRA, now is the time to take action. Don't let market fluctuations and economic uncertainty dictate your retirement. Gold IRAs offer a unique combination of stability, protection, and growth potential that traditional options simply can't provide. Don't wait any longer. Take control of your retirement today and start building the future you deserve.